Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a $25,000 business grant opportunity for Black-owned small businesses. Also, if you would like to learn how to get business grants, how to hire the right business grant writers that actually win business grants for you, find unlimited business grant opportunities, as well as get an already done for you list of over 200 business grant opportunities, plus training, plus a grant proposal template, and more, click the link down in the description box below to get access to this business grant course to help you get funds for your business that you do not have to pay back. So the business grant opportunity that we're going to talk about in this video is the Driving Small Business Forward business grant opportunity. I talked about this particular opportunity before. They have multiple rounds per year. This is sponsored by Progressive. So who is eligible for this opportunity? You will need to be a for-profit business with majority 51% owned or operated by a Black identifying entrepreneur, have 10 or few employees, less than 5 million in annual revenue, have a demonstrated need for a qualifying commercial vehicle to run your business, and a clear plan for growth as a result of this vehicle purchase. Also, not be an independent contractor whose primary business is ride sharing, such as Uber, Lyft, or third-party food delivery, such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, etc. There's no purchase necessary. So all you need to do is create a Hello Alice account, complete your Driving Small Business Forward application. It should take less than an hour to complete. Applications close on June 2nd, 2023 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then they'll announce the winners in August. So here are some frequently asked questions. So what is considered a commercial vehicle? So a commercial vehicle is going to be any car, truck, van, or bus, or any other automobile that is used for business purposes. Please note that heavy trucks that gross more than 26,000 pounds, for example, bulldozers, farm machinery, forklifts, etc., are not eligible for this program. So the type of business-related activities that this commercial vehicle can be used for are going to be for travel to perform business-related services, as well as delivering products or goods, transportation of materials or inventory, or even transporting people. Now, if you have a new business idea for a new business, if it's not existing already and established, you will not be eligible to apply. You will need to already have an established business. Also, if you are a nonprofit, they are not accepting nonprofits. And then sole proprietors, you can apply if you are a sole proprietor. So those are pretty much the most important frequently asked questions. Again, if you would like to apply for this is going to be through Hello Alice. You'll have to go to helloalice.com and then click on funding. Then you're going to click on grant opportunities. This is the only grant opportunity currently available at the time of this video. And you'll click where it says Driving Small Business Forward. You're going to click on apply, and you're going to have to create an account. Once you create an account, you're going to see this application here. It is going to be 46 questions long. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and receive notifications on when I release new videos. And also make sure that you comment down below if you have any questions. And if you would like to get a big list of other grant opportunities, current grant opportunities, not expired grant opportunities from 2021 and 2022, but grant opportunities for this year, and as well as training to help you find more grants on your own. You get a grant proposal template, as well as a hidden source where there is going to be a lot of different grant opportunities that nobody really talks about, as well as grant writers who will help you win the grants for you. So link will be down in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video.